I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the continuation of lesson 4. This is of class 2. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordova publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the exercise part of this lesson. Manu's scarf. Answer orally. Which is your favorite color? That is, red is my favorite color. When do you think is Manu's birthday? Manu's birthday is in winter season. Then, pick the correct answer in each. What is Manu's favorite color? A. Blue, B. Red, C. Green. It is B. Red. Why does Manu not notice that a scarf is slipping away? A. She is sleeping. B. She is playing. C. She is studying. It is B. She is playing. Who made or makes the scarf clean and dry? A. Wind. B. Rain. C. Rain and sun. It is C. Rain and sun. Now, write T for true and F for false statement. Manu's birthday is on Wednesday. False. Number 2. Manu has many scarves. True. Number 3. The rain blows away Manu's scarf. False. Number 4. Ardi wants to wrap Manu's birthday gift in a red wrapping paper. True. Ardi finds Manu's scarf on the road. False. Now next read and answer the following questions. Why is Manu trying on her new dress? She is trying on her new dress because the next day is her birthday. Number 2. Where does Manu go to play? What happens there? She goes to play in the garden. There she doesn't notice her favorite scarf slipping away and then lying on the ground. Number 3. Why does Manu leave the scarf on? Manu leaves the scarf on because it is windy and she is going to play in the garden. Number 4. How does Manu's scarf become dirty? Manu's scarf becomes dirty because it slips down on the ground. Then it is blown away to a pavement. People walk over it. Who is Ardi? Ardi is Manu's best friend. Number 6. Why does Manu look at the gift in surprise? Manu looks at the gift in surprise because the gift has Manu's favorite red scarf tied around it. Number 7. Which sentence in the story tells that the scarf is happy to be with Manu again? That is, so am I, says the red scarf, happily to be with Manu again. Number 8. Name one thing that makes you really happy. What is the one thing that makes you really happy when you get gifts from your friends or relatives? And when you score good marks for your exam. So you really feel very happy. Now, Hot's question. Do you think Ardi loves to read stories? Yes, Ardi loves to read books because only a person who loves to read would think of gifting a book for others. Now, speak, read aloud, CL, clock, close, clean, clown, FL, flag, flow, fleet, flat. Now read this. The clock tells us the time. Clean your room. The clown is funny. The table is flat. Hold the flag. The water is flowing. Then grammar. Am is are plus ing form. That is present continuous tense. When we talk about an action that is happening at the time of speaking, we use the present continuous tense. So present continuous tense is used when we talk about an action that is happening at the time of speaking. In present continuous tense, we use am, is, are plus ing form of the verb. So, in present continuous tense, we use am, is, are plus ing form of the verb. Example, I am reading a story. Manu is playing in the garden. Arati and Manu are talking to each other. Then, look at the pictures and complete the following sentence with am, is, are plus ing form of the verb. You may use the words given in the box. See, answers are given in the box. Talk, play, do, drink and cook. So what they are saying? They are telling to write am, is and are plus ing form of the verb using these answers given in the box. The dog dash milk. The dog drink. How will you write? The dog is drinking milk. Then number 2. My mother dash rice for me. My mother is cooking rice for me. Number 3. A child dash with a ball. A child is playing with a ball. Number 4. I dash my homework. I am writing my, I am doing. It is do. So I am doing my homework. Number 5. The girls dash to each other. The girls are talking to each other. Now add ing to the following words, but remember, in some words you have to double the last letter. In some words the last letter will be doubled. One is done for you. Fit. Fitting. You have to add the ing form with the given words. Fit. Fit is fitting. Fitting. Number 2. Sleep. Sleeping. 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 Number 3. Hope. Hoping. hopping. Hoping. Number 4. Sit. Sitting. 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 Number 5. Paint. Painting. 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 Number 6. Drop. Dropping. 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 Number 7. Clap. Clapping. 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 Then number 8. Read. Reading. 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 Now next is match the words in column A with the words in column B. Both columns have words that are similar in pronunciation. So column A and column B, words you have to match. Both these words have got similar pronunciation. First one, see. So same pronunciation. See. SCA. See. There. There. Wait. Wait. Dear. Dear. Now use the words to given below to fill in the blanks. Now using these words you have to fill in the blanks. I want to dash the Red Sea. I want to see the Red Sea. Number 2. They keep their car there. Dash, I have to check your weight. Won't I have to check your weight? Number 4. I have a deer. It is very dear to me. This is D-E-R, dear, and this is D-E-A-R, dear. I hope you all understood the grammar part of this lesson. Please share this with your friends and relatives, and please tell them to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and please follow me in my Instagram page also. I hope you all understood this grammar part. I will see you in the next class. Until then, bye.